Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all my dear friends, family, and dear my all student and dear my brother and sister, all goods. So uh, I would like to share today's experience. So today's experience is very well, very good, because today's my YouTube channel English Habit. Uh, First time and first video uh, public published publicly, okay. But mm after 20 days make video, almost 60 video, only just make video and only my YouTube channel upload, but not publicly, just unlisted, okay. It is a documentary or documents uh, my English learning journey, okay. So today's good, very good, because I am very excited and very anxiety, okay. So I hope inshallah uh, every day I will share my uh, make video and share my YouTube channel, okay. So please, all my dear audience, forgive me and stay for me, okay. I hope inshallah all my dear with me, okay. So if you are a beginner learner, so you can follow my YouTube channel and follow my daily uses, conversation, or daily blog, or daily communication, or daily make video. uh, you can follow my videos, okay. So uh, right or wrong doesn't matter, okay. I will believe, I believe me, okay, because every day if I practice and record my uh, speak in front of camera, so inshallah one day my videos, all everything okay will, okay. So I am trying my best, just continuous learning and continuous make this video, because I am very shy person, okay. So just uh, day by day uh, improve my English speaking, okay. So you are a beginner learner, so you can try uh, your best and as make this video uh, as a me, okay. So you can try your best, inshallah you will be success, I believe it, okay. So every day you learning, everyday practice, everyday reading, everyday writing, everyday speaking and listening, only just four things, four tips and tricks, inshallah you will be success, you will be achieve it, you will be uh, fluent speaker, inshallah. you will be success, because English not hard, it is your challenge. Okay, it's easy. So just you believe it, your mindset, just your mindset just high, improve your mindset. Always positive thinking, always positive thinker person with. Okay, so I believe inshallah you will be success. Just start your journey 2 days right now. Okay, so as you can see, this is my uh, room. So it's very nice. Inshallah, next see you soon. And my videos you're helpful, so you can my all videos and these videos like, comment and share your surrounding. Okay, so thank you so much. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.